What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and we have recently come out with multi-pump fuel hats that are capable of supporting up to 2100 rear wheel horsepower on pump gas for multiple applications, including a 6th-gen Camaros, 2015 and up F-150s, 2005 to 2017 GM half-ton trucks, 2020 and up GT500s, 2015 and up Hellcats, Demons, and Red Eyes, 2011 and up Mustangs, and most recently we've released a multi-pump fuel hat for universal 12-bolt fuel cell fill lids. There are vital pieces of every assembly that allow us to offer you the nicest multi-pump fuel hats on the market. One of the unspoken heroes, believe it or not, is the fuel sock. Our fuel sock merges all three pumps into one feed. This prevents the issue of one pump sock being in fluid but the others aren't, which can cause fuel starvation during performance driving. Our 10 micron pre-filter feeds all three pumps without the need to be fully submerged. With just a few millimeters of the sock being submerged in fuel, it's able to properly feed all three of our Walbro 470 liter per hour fuel pumps. The pre-filter also mounts directly to the pumps, eliminating the need for bulkheads and other unnecessary bulky hardware. If you have a high horsepower, high performance vehicle, you need the nicest multi-pump fuel hats with the highest performing fuel sock available. If you want to know more about our fuel hats, fuel sock, or any of our other products, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.